Hey, welcome back. Today a story about tire puncture. So yesterday I got a alert notification on my screen that my real right tire is low pressure, and so I put extra air into the tire, and the next day it went down again, so there is a leak. The Tesla, they don't fix tires, they replace the wheel, so the cost they quote was €435, 435 or something around this price. I said no, it can't be right. So the next things I did was to visit a independent garage this morning, and they had. So before that, actually, I heard there is a problem with Tesla tires, and the many garages they don't do Teslas. So I asked about the experience with that on the Tesla forum, and people were like, okay, go to any garage, they should do it. There are some garages which they don't want to touch Tesla, but this is either they don't like the Tesla or Elon Musk, or they are against Tesla because it's taking over the market. But most places they will do. Of course, there was one guy who were laughing at me, and this is not okay, because I find that if we need a help or find out about something, the forum is the place to ask other users' experience. And even you know everything, someone may not know. And this Tesla is the first electric car I'm owning, and because I heard loads of things about Tesla, that's why I wanted to go to the garage, to go to the forum to ask about opinion. But anyway, there was like loads of helpful people, and they said go and check. So this morning I went to the one garage. They said yeah, no problem. They took my Tesla and they came back after a few minutes with the information that I have a nail in the middle of the tire. However, they cannot patch it because of this foam inside. Not a foam, it's like a sponge inside. This is like to make the tire quiet. And the adhesive they're using, they said they cannot drill in the tire or they cannot patch due to this adhesive. So I need a new tire. I asked about the price. Tire, the Hankook tire with the labor was €295. And I get back with that information to the forum, and people say, listen, this is BS, because you can drill to it, you can cut off of that foam inside, and they can reattach it. There's no problem. So I went to another place close to me, and they say yeah, no problem, €15, 15 euro, 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, job done. And I am on the road and there is no leakage. So there you are, the Tesla tire. However, it's built, it's not flat run, it's this like sponge inside to make it quiet. Yeah, that can be fixed, and easily €15. Man, that was it. Yeah, so that's what I want to share with you. Tesla experience in Ireland. If you want to know the name of the garage, let me know. Send me a message or comment that video, and I will share with you the place that will do your tire with no problem whatsoever. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tesla experience, and hit the notification bell not to miss another video. Bye, thanks.